Have you ever felt that you're working harder than ever, but somehow you never seem to get ahead? Morning everyone, I'm Garry Paul. Now if you're looking to build a smarter reselling business, then you're in the right place. And today we're going to start to build another part of the blueprint that's going to help you do that. And before we start talking about ChatGPT and prompts or AI, I want to tell you a story. Now, this is a story about two lumberjacks. There was these two lumberjacks and they both used to work really hard. They both start at the same time in the morning and end at the same time in the evening. And all day they chop wood. But every day, one of the lumberjacks, he used to disappear for about half hour. Then he'd come back to work and carry on chopping. But the thing is that at the end of every day, the lumberjack that had disappeared for half hour had chopped more wood. And this went on for a couple of weeks. And in the end, the first lumberjack said, "How do you do this? You disappear for half hour and then you come back and you still end up chopping more wood than I do. Where do you go?" And the second lumberjack went, "Oh, I just go and sharpen my axe." Now, I have to be honest with you, because that's the way I work. For many years, I was that first lumberjack. I believe the answer to everything was more listings, more sourcing, more hours, more work. If something wasn't working properly, if I wasn't getting enough sales, it just mean more listing, more hours. That's what I used to do. Then life changed and my business changed as well. My priorities changed and the amount of time that I had available also changed. And I realized something, that working harder wasn't always working smarter. Now, take a moment just to think about your own reselling business. What's really slowing you down? Is it researching or pricing or listings or organizing stock, answering customers' queries? Every one of those jobs is another swing of the axe. But what if, instead of simply swinging harder, you could sharpen your axe first? And this is what this series of videos is all about. Over the coming weeks, we're going to help you build your own blueprint. One piece at a time. Every tool and every system has one purpose, and that will be to help you work smarter. One of the biggest ways that I've sharpened my axe over the last year has been learning how to use ChatGPT properly. Not because it replaces my experience, because it doesn't. It just allows me to use my experience more effectively and more efficiently. And in the next video, that's where we'll begin. Before you move on, I'd like you to just think about one question. And that is, what is the biggest thing that is slowing your business down today? Don't have to answer it for me. Answer it for yourself. Or maybe put it in the comments below. It's up to you, or you can keep it private and personal. The reason I want you to think about that is because that's where your blueprint begins. In the next part of building your own blueprint, I'm going to show you the first tool I use to start removing those bottlenecks from my own business. And I think it might surprise you. So until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and keep building.